So there we go, you can see that's really unbelievable. I got some TikTok videos, ungrown hair removal. You can see that curled hair, how it's coming out. Oh, it's like a noodle. Oh, you can check this one. Oh my goodness, that I can't believe it. Oh, you can check that at the top of head. Oh, they have cut the hair. They did not remove it. What's that? It's like a snake. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, that was really huge. Oh yeah. Oh wow. I can't believe, is that real? Oops. There's no pain. You can see the skin. It's really too much smoother. The way it's coming. We'll see how easy it came out. That was really amazing. The way it was. So please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Hope you all loved it. So okay, bye bye.